This tea ain't it. Not playing.
Action, Teyana.
Hello, Marie Claire. We're about to spill the tea-yana.
What is the biggest misconception about Teyana Taylor?
A lot of people think that I'm like big and aggressive, but I'm really a princess. Because I have like a big personality, I have like this androgynous energy. But like I'm really a princess and I'm really like just a girl. And I get so shy and people don't know that. They don't understand that the big personality is really like my anxiety. You know what I'm saying?
So what's an industry red flag and what's an industry green flag?
The industry is a red flag. The talent is a green flag. Put it like that. It's a dirty game, filthy.
What's a makeup trend you think needs to retire?
I don't know. You know, I stay out of that and I sip my Teyana because let the girls do what they want to do. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you feel like floats your boat, babe. Do your thing.
What is the tea to the best day in Harlem?
The tea to the best day in Harlem, a good block party is perfect. You kind of get to see everything. People having a good time, the kids, the sprinklers, all of the things.
What's a DM that you've gotten recently that made you gasp out loud?
I got 2 kids. I'm somebody's mama. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't really like go in my DMs like looking for that kind of stuff. I'm sure it's probably some crazy stuff in there, but I don't even bother. I could barely get through the DMs of the people that I follow, like friends and family and stuff that be like sending me messages. My mother be sending me a whole bunch of memes and stuff, and she be like, you don't never check your DMs, and that's my mom. She be sending me some crazy stuff. This lady is crazy.
Who are you hiring as your IRL lawyer if you're in a pinch? Niecy Nash, Kim Kardashian, Sarah Paulson, or Naomi Watts?
Honestly, I'd have to hire all my girls. They just have to split the coin. Just have to divide the pie. I need all my girls.
What makes you genuinely happy?
Oh, my babies, my parents, my family, my friends. Helping others, making people smile makes me genuinely happy. Like, it makes me really, really happy to know that I've made somebody's day.
Who's your musical tea right now?
Kehlani is T. SZA, 7th Streeter, Keke Palmer is T. Victoria Monet is T. Mariah the Scientist is T. Money Long is T. K1 is T. Your word. T80.
What's the tea to killer abs?
So I always had abs, but I was always moving. You know, I think dancing is very underrated in the fitness world. But also, my mom was in the fitness world heavy, so yeah.
What's the pettiest reason you've cut someone off?
You know what's crazy is I really low-key can't answer that because my problem is I give people too many chances. I don't like pettiness. I'm not a prideful person, so I don't like nothing that comes with that. I love like my friends and stuff too much. I also grew up watching like Disney Channel, like Lizzie McGuire and stuff, so, you know, on Disney Channel, you learn to resolve things with your friends. Never let it get too crazy or, you know what I'm saying? Like, we don't do petty. Life is too short. I smile through this tea. This tea ain't it. Not playing. I love tea. I love tea. I love Teyana. I like being handled like a cup of tea. That sounds crazy.